The law is the law. I stand before this esteemed chamber today, both as a member and as an elected local official, to address a matter that I sincerely hope and pray will never happen to any of you in the future. I am referring to the obiter dictum made by our city legal officer regarding partisan political activities, which appears to be aimed specifically at me as an elected barangay official. The fact that I was singled out in this way has caused me great concern, instilling a sense of fear and raising serious worries about political harassment and the potential infringement on my political rights.
I don't know why they're picking on her. Diba? And as a member of the town, and side with her in this harassment.
Sana hindi na nila pinapatulan yon, Your Honor. Nakakalungkot kasi dapat sila yung una nating takbuhan kung meron man tayong problema na legal.
Tayong lahat dito magkakampi. Nagkakatalaktakan tayo paminsan-minsan o madalas. Pero ang pagkakaibigan at pagsasamahan ay nananatili.
In conclusion, the last paragraph of the city legal officer's letter, cautioning the undersigned not to put their office in a position that would compel them to exercise their mandate, to my mind, constitutes a form of political harassment.
I'm also going to clap, standing ovation for the resilience of Honorable Yan Yan Ibay, and we will stand beside her in this unnecessary and undue.
Once again, I hope and pray no other local elected official, whether a city or barangay official, will ever be subjected to such actions. And if so, send out a letter to the 14,336 elected barangay and XK officials in the City of Manila, the 27,360 elected barangay and SK officials in Metro Manila, and the 672,720 elected barangay and SK officials in the Philippines.
So I hereby strongly manifest my support in the stand of Konsehal Yan Yan Ibay with regard to this matter.
Tama ang mga tinuran niya at sana pagkatapos nito ay lubayan na si SK Federation Yan Yan Ibay sapagkat ginagawa niya ng tama ang kanyang trabaho bilang SK Federation President at patuloy niya itong gagawin. Huwag na natin siyang idamay sa nangyayaring tika dito sa loob ng lungsod.
Kaya ako po ay naglalahad po ng aking suporta at sa manifestation po ni Councilor Yan Yan Ibay. At sana po maalala po natin na ang ating priority naman din po dito sa lagi po nating pag-express ng ating mga tungurin sa ating konseho ay para po sa mga batang Maynila naman po.
And for the record, I have been councilor for 5 terms and I think that Councilor Yan Yan so far is the best SK president na inabutan ko po. Yun lamang po, Your Honor. So, in behalf of the minority, in behalf as a councilor, I am in support of the Honorable Councilor representing the Sangguniang Kabataan.
I would just like to express my sadness po towards the actions po of the City Legal Office because from my understanding po kasi ang function po ng City Legal Office is to protect the local chief executive and its body, not to prosecute them. And the action that they have just done certainly prosecutes me. Kahit na yung binigay po nilang mga batas, the laws they've cited, the jurisprudence they've cited, lahat po yun overturned na. Sana po, bago po sila maglabas ng mga ganitong letter po sa kanya-kanya mga opisyales dito sa lungsod ng Maynila, ay inaaral po nila yung mga batas. Alam niyo po, Your Honor, nung pumasok po ako dito sa City Council, lagi ko po sinasabi, gusto ko po mag-doktor. Pero sa nakikita ko po ngayon sa legal office natin ng lungsod ng Maynila, parang masarap din po pala mag-law. Kasi ang dami pong mga batas natin na binabalik ko, nilalagyan ng loophole na hindi naman dapat. The law is the law. Yun lang po ang masasabi ko. Maraming salamat po, Your Honor.
We as youth, gamitin natin ang lakas, init, yung pag-aapoy, pag-aalab ng inyong damdamin na ayusin ng ating pamayanan katulad ng pakikipaglaban para sa kabataan na ginawa ni Yan Yan Ibay.
So today we are not just launching a movement, we are creating a space where your voices matter, where your ideas take flight, and where your leadership can inspire action. Together we are building a future that is more inclusive, more just, and more sustainable.
Hindi siya nagpatiklop. Kahit na medyo siya'y pinagtutulungan. For that, I'm very proud. I'm very proud. Hindi ako nagkamali kay Yan Yan. At sinasabi ko sa inyo, bigyan natin ng pagkakataon si Yan Yan mamuno sa SK Federation. At least, matangos ang ilong ko na makasasalubong ko kayo sa kalsada, Eskinita, Avenida, Boulevard ng lungsod ng Maynila na may isang